Gems and jewelry is the highest revenue earner for Rajasthan in terms of foreign exchange, much more than tourism. In fact, 18,000 crores are the estimates that the gems and jewelry business earns in Jaipur. And of that, about 3,200 crores is the US market, which is about 20% of the total export. I have with me Alok ji, who is the president of the Jaipur Jewelers Association. Alok ji, क्या लगता है आपको, what is going to be the fallout? अगर इस तरह से, if the tariffs have already come in, they've already kicked in, so now how is it going to impact the business? I mean, it's the biggest foreign exchange earner for Rajasthan.
It's a major disruption that we are going to see now. And the effect is, as we see today, if things are not sorted out in the near future, there'll be a lot of pain. And that includes the businessmen, small, medium, large, doesn't matter, even, and the artisans. Once this cascading effect goes down and people start leaving this industry, then it will be very difficult to just gather them back together.
Alok ji, आपका जो business है, how much of it is driven by America actually? कितना percentage? और किस type का जाता है? आपने बताया कि finished jewelry भी जाती है, and there's some loose gemstones.
Yes. So we are majorly into jewelry exports, studded jewelry exports, and about thankfully we are not so much into American market, but still about 10 to 15% of our exports are to America. So that is what we are seeing. It's the season is coming, but what we are seeing is this will be zero this year.
Also, this segment employs at least 2 to 3 lakh labor in Jaipur alone, and they're going to be severely impacted. In fact, a lot of the labor who work here are from outside Rajasthan. आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ,
सेतवान।
हाँ, कहाँ से हैं आप?
यूपी।
हाँ, तो जो जैसे ये बात हो रही है कि भाई अमेरिका ऑर्डर देना कम कर देगा, तो फिर डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्शन हाउस में ऑर्डर कम होएगा, तो फिर तो कारीगर पे तो इम्पैक्ट आएगा ही ना?
आएगा।
हाँ हाँ, क्या चिंता है?
चिंता है घर परिवार अपना हम कैसे चलाएंगे। इसी से कमाते हैं तो अपना खर्चा चलता है।
I have with me Sudhir Kasliwal. The Gem Palace is one of the oldest shops in Jaipur. But Sudhir ji, with the kind of tariffs that we are seeing, the new administration, Trump administration, you also had made inroads into the export market. You were also sending jewelry abroad. You were not just doing traditional jewelry. How badly has that been hit?
You see, almost 60 to 70% of our export orders have been kept on hold lately after the Trump tariff announcement.
What are your customers saying about that? I mean, they must be with you on email. What is the concern?
The concern is increase in cost because they are wholesalers and they are also going to sell it to their customers, and they must have quoted a price. We have also quoted a price. So the price hike definitely will affect their sales also, and our sales are being affected for sure.
So 60 to 70% of export orders is a huge hit for any business to take. Also, you know, Jaipur is also a thriving tourist industry. And a lot of tourists who come here also come shopping. They come to buy gems and jewelry. You know, in fact, it's always on the shopping list of every tourist who comes in, especially the upmarket tourist. So will they also be affected? If do you think domestic sales to tourists, foreign tourists will also be affected?
See, our sales are mainly to foreign tourists, and out of all the domestic, the foreign travelers coming to Jaipur, our sales are almost 70 to 80% to American tourists. They are our big buyers. Now that is also going to be affected because that we'll see in the coming season, because now it's not a tourist season, but it's definitely going to affect our business.
So that's how the cascading effect of the Trump tariffs will slowly be visible in the Indian market. But for now, the Trump tariffs have sent tremors down Jaipur's jewelry business, and it's threatening to take the sheen out of what was once a glittering business for both import and export.